Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is gunslinger. Now, that gunslinger term is referred to a portfolio manager or trader that takes positions with his investment funds in particularly speculative or risky names with the hope of big returns. Now, sometimes these gunslingers are very smart, but they put on aggressive positions in usually technology stocks, biotech stocks, or ones with high alpha, high beta, moving around a lot, very volatile, and can move a lot in terms of price. Now, in the late 90s, with the internet stocks going crazy, these gunslingers made a ton of money, but they can also get trapped when things go down. Gunslingers are an important part of the risk-on economy, which I'm part of. Today's word is gunslinger, or otherwise known as someone who takes risks.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.